Hello friends, welcome back to the Curious and Creative Mind channel. Please subscribe for updates and new video upload notifications. In this video, we'll show you how to make yummy boiled egg masala. Cut one small cucumber into small pieces. Cucumber को small pieces कर रहा है. Cut one medium-sized onion into small pieces. Cut one medium-sized tomato into small pieces. हम टमाटो को small pieces कर रहा है. Chop a handful of cilantro or dhania leaves. Remove the hard outer cover of eggs. Cut the boiled eggs into halves. Boiled egg को half काट रहा है. Sprinkle little rock salt on the top. Sprinkle little cumin or jeera powder. Sprinkle little black pepper powder. Sprinkle little chili powder. Chopped onions on the top. Then add chopped cucumber on the top. Add chopped tomatoes on the top. It looks so nice. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. Add mustard sauce or kasundi on top of each half eggs. Add chopped cilantro or dhania leaves on the top. That looks so yummy. Tasty bhi hoga. Squeeze some lemon juice on the top. We hope you enjoyed the video, my friends. Please like, subscribe, comment and share.